Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today as we delve into another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is command. So, what exactly does command mean? Well, as a B2 level noun, command primarily means an order given. It's an instruction that someone in authority gives to someone else, expecting it to be carried out. You can think of it as a directive, a mandate, or simply a request with authority behind it. It's used in a variety of contexts, from military settings to everyday situations at home or work. Now, let's explore some synonyms for the word command. A close synonym is order. For example, the general gave the order to advance. Another synonym is directive. The company issued a directive about using new software. We also have instruction. The teacher gave clear instructions for the assignment. Mandate is another good synonym, implying more authority. The government issued a mandate for mask wearing during the pandemic. Lastly, consider edict, which is a formal and authoritative command. The king issued an edict forbidding public gatherings. Now let's flip things around and look at some antonyms, words with opposite meanings to command. First, we have request. Think about it. A command is demanding, while a request is more polite and suggests the possibility of refusal. Instead of issuing a command, she made a polite request. Another antonym is suggestion. The manager didn't give a command. It was just a suggestion. Then there's plea, which implies a humble or desperate request. The lawyer made a plea for leniency rather than issuing a command. We can also use invitation, which is the opposite of a forceful order. The meeting was by invitation, not by command. Finally, consider question, as a command provides an answer, while a question seeks one. Instead of giving a command, he asked a question. So, how do we use command in everyday life? Well, you might hear someone say, he has a strong command of the English language, which means he's very proficient. Or, she's in command of the situation, meaning she's in control. You might also say, I have no command over my emotions sometimes, indicating a lack of control. In the context of technology, a command prompt is where you enter instructions for the computer. Common phrases include, at your command, meaning you're ready to obey. Take command, meaning to take control or leadership. Issue a command, meaning to give an official order. Let's look at some more examples in sentences. The captain gave the command to set sail immediately. He rose through the ranks and now holds a position of command. Her voice had a tone of command that demanded obedience. The software requires a specific command to execute the function. The army follows the command structure strictly. She has a remarkable command of classical music. The security system is activated by a voice command. The leader's command was met with resistance. He lost command of his vehicle on the icy road. The judge issued a command for the defendant to appear in court. The robot operates based on programmed commands. The chef has command of various cooking techniques. Understanding these commands is crucial for effective programming. The remote control allows you to command the television. I need to improve my command of public speaking. The general issued a command to retreat before 4 p.m. The project manager took command of the meeting at 2 p.m. Following the doctor's commands is essential for recovery. The new app allows you to control your home devices with voice commands. The pirate captain shouted a command to his crew. Training is necessary to execute the commands correctly. The teacher's command was to complete the assignment by Friday at 5 p.m. The emergency services followed the command structure efficiently. The lifeguard gave the command to evacuate the beach at 1 p.m. We've covered the definition of command, explored its synonyms like order, directive, and instruction, and contrasted it with antonyms such as request, suggestion, and plea. We've also seen how command is used in various contexts, from giving orders to demonstrating proficiency. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word command helpful. Now, for a small favor, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn new words too. We want to reach more people, and you can help us do it. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word command and share it as a comment below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.